Hey, welcome to Breakout Bars Studio. Are you ready to become a better, smarter, and more consistent day trader? If so, you've definitely come to the right place. This is the channel where we break down the markets together and focus on what actually works. You'll find high probability breakout strategies you can apply right away, live chart breakdowns to sharpen your technical analysis, and crucial lessons on risk management and trading psychology to keep you emotionally strong. We'll also cover smart trading routines for more structure and consistency. And of course, plenty of tips to help you avoid those common rookie mistakes. Here at Breakout Bars Studio, it's all about clarity, simplicity, and profitable learning. So, if you want to grow as a trader, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a breakout. Welcome to the community. This is Breakout Bars Studio, where every single candle counts. And, as you know, the content on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered financial advice.